So this is exactly how to connect your GameSir Cyclone 2 controller to your PC via Bluetooth. So what we need to do firstly is very simple. Just find the B button and the home button and click on it at the same time until you're gonna see the blue light starts to blink here, as you can see, or shine. So we need to now also click on this button together with this one to be able to put the controller into pairing mode. So now when it blinks fast, it means that it's now in pairing mode. So what I'm going to do now on my PC or laptop here, I'm gonna go into settings. And I hope you can still see okay here. I'm just going to go into Bluetooth and devices here and then click on add device here, as you can see, and then click on Bluetooth. And you can see here is the wireless controller. This is my controller. Sometimes you have to click on show all devices to be able to see it, by the way. But you can see now your device is ready to go. And when the device is ready to go, it's going to shine consistently here instead, as you can see, which means that, yeah, now your GameSir Cyclone 2 controller here is actually connected to your PC.